Did you know the World Health Organization recommends exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months of a baby's life? It's a simple yet powerful way to ensure your baby gets the best start in life. Today, we'll explore what exclusive breastfeeding means, why it's recommended, and how you can make it work for you. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more expert-backed parenting and health insights. Exclusive breastfeeding means giving your baby only breast milk, no water, formula, or solids for the first 6 months. Breast milk provides all the nutrients your baby needs for growth and development. It's easily digestible, tailored to your baby's needs, and helps build immunity against infections and diseases. Comment below. Did you know breast milk alone could meet all your baby's nutritional needs for 6 months? The WHO's recommendation is backed by extensive research showing that exclusive breastfeeding boosts health by protecting babies from diarrhea, pneumonia, and other illnesses. It promotes development by enhancing brain development and cognitive skills. It also supports maternal health by reducing the risk of breast and ovarian cancer. Like this video, if you believe every baby deserves the best start in life. Exclusive breastfeeding can be challenging, but support and preparation make a big difference. Latching issues? Seek advice from a lactation consultant. Concerned about milk supply? Stay hydrated, eat well, and breastfeed frequently. Returning to work? Plan ahead by pumping and storing breast milk. Moms, what was your biggest hurdle with breastfeeding? Share your tips in the comments. Here's how to make exclusive breastfeeding work for you. Get support from breastfeeding groups or a lactation consultant. Skin-to-skin contact helps establish a strong breastfeeding bond. Stay consistent by breastfeeding on demand to maintain your supply. Subscribe for more tips and resources to make your breastfeeding journey smoother. Exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months is a gift to both you and your baby. It provides unmatched health benefits, strengthens your bond, and sets the foundation for a healthy life. Subscribe for more parenting and health content, and share this video with someone who's expecting or considering breastfeeding. If you have questions or need support, check out the resources in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.